All right, good morning, traders. See if we can get Hal on here. Old Halliburton. All right. Well, that's we were talking about last night, and it did break over 4 again here in pre-market, so I'll be keeping that one on watch. Lord have mercy. VRPX just going and going and going. All right. Good morning, Cool J. How you doing this morning, buddy? All right, maybe Hal will call in here in a second, but he's not answering at the moment. U.S. futures flat ahead of the Feds. We are looking a little red this morning. Let's check the DIA, see what that looks like. DIA down at 352. Awesome, man. Good to hear that. We could possibly see the SPY drop at market open. So what, 352.93? That's a possibility. Take Annie off this list. Expanded decreasing anxiety symptoms and depression patterns. Only 16 million in float. That's pretty low float at 880. So it's got to break 9. Break a 9 and that could get going. I'll throw that up on the watch list. Alf. So let's get rid of this line. Alf's looking pretty decent. Nice. Nice, Brian C. Good job, man. You made some nice money on VRPX if you've been held that long. That is what I like to hear. See, I already got B-Way on there. NAOV. Eh. I don't like much else. Oops. I don't like much else there. Yeah, okay, so I've got everything already on my watch list that could possibly be on there at the moment. Not really, but you like money? Hey, wait, what? How you not making any money on that? If you got in 300 shares at 7 something, man, you ought to be up quite a bit. That's $23 times 300. you got to be up like 7 grand right now, or 5 to 7, something like that, man. That's a nice chunk of money. Oh, there comes Hal. He's calling me right now. Yo.
Oh, there's Ben.
Man, you're late. I was here at 8 a.m. calling you on the dot.
Yeah, I literally missed that. I couldn't. It didn't notify me on my. I've been up. It just didn't notify me with the. You know how Discord usually rings.
Yeah.
It didn't do that. So whatever.
Good morning, Lauren. So, all I see is DATS.
DATS.
Yeah, the one we talked about last night. It had a gap up over 4 in pre-market. Now it's right below 4.
It's not. Where's the volume? Ugh.
It doesn't have volume yet, man. It's got to get
Man,
the volume.
it's got to have a super good PR for it to pop like a CVV did, and it does not have that. So I would definitely wait for eyes to come over here. The only two things sitting on my scanner right now is VRPX, which I am going to watch die today, and then PMCB was another mover up. It's up 60%, low float, but I have a couple of problems with it. First, it has a shelf registration from this year. Second, when I checked Finviz and Yahoo Finance says it's got 1.9 million or 1.59 million in the float, and then go over to Finviz, it says 2 point something billion in the float. So yeah, that discrepancy definitely turns me off on PMCB. So these two are the only ones that are on my scanner.
Let me check TradingView. TradingView is a lot more up to date usually.
No, Yahoo Finance is super up to date.
Nah, man, Yahoo Finance, man, they're up to date with like Apple and Microsoft. They don't know about these low floats, man.
Nah, man.
They don't know about these low floats. So, yeah, 1.5 million in 2020 is what TradingView is showing. So that's probably it. Yahoo Finance don't know what it's talking about, man. It's on that.
No, Yahoo Finance said 1.59 million. It was Finviz.
Oh yeah,
Finviz.
Well, Finviz don't know what it's talking about. One of these don't know what it's talking about.
But anyway, that shelf registration is going to keep me out of PMCB. Even if it goes up, good luck to anybody that wants to risk their life. I mean, trade that one.
Yeah. Well, it's also opening up right in the middle of the EMAs, so it's gonna have crazy resistance. I was looking at B-Way. Did you see B-Way? It actually had decent PR. It's got FDA approval, expanded approval.
Spell that ticker.
BWAY.
BWAY.
Yeah,
Sicilian said he's planning on trading PMCB today. Hey, good luck, man. You got best wishes to you.
You better be in and out quick. All I can say. I mean, it could rip, but when are they going to enact that shelf registration? That's the thing.
You know what I was thinking? You know what I was thinking about today? The psychology of a shelf registration. Why is it so choppy when a shelf registration is on a stock? I was thinking it's probably because the big traders are smart enough to stay away. And it's only retail traders pushing the price back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And just maybe the market makers. But the big money that make those big rips, they're like, you know. I don't want to play that.
I mean, it depends on the float. If it's a really low float, one chat room can move the stock.
Well, we were looking at what was it, NAOV? That was a super low float, and I'm pretty sure there was a lot of chat rooms in there, but none of them were just making it explode. It stayed within like $1 range, $1.50 range.
Yeah, well, you probably got shorters. I mean, it looks like there's a lot of either sellers, shorters, or bag holders. I mean, this thing was under $1 for a while, so pushing up to 5 like that, you're gonna get some selling.
Yeah, Sicilian said he's taking quick profits on PMCB. Man, do it. Hey, if you're gonna trade something with a shelf registration, that's the way to do it. Take those profits.
There is a trend line formed on PMCB. A little uptrend from that 350 up to this consolidation going on right now. But other than that, I don't see much else.
Yeah, Sicilian says, what's going on with VRPX? Well, VRPX had a multi-day run, and now the shorts are ready to play ball. So, when something goes up almost 450%, the shorts are like, and then it was on a week catalyst, bro. The shorts are like, yes, It is our day.
It's on a up. It's on a uptrend too. But
What, VRPX?
yeah,
Man, that trend don't mean nothing today. Short's finna come and baptize some people.
Eh, there's some support at that 25 area. It
That
may
don't,
try to hold up.
that don't mean nothing. I wouldn't be surprised if it goes back under 20 today.
It could. I mean, it ran all the way to 39, so I mean that's some profit taking. We got Brian C over there. He's got 300 shares that have been in since 738. So
738. Let's see, where was that? Yeah. Is he down on those shares?
nah, why would he be down on the shares? The stock's at $29.
Wait, he got in at 7:30. What is he, Central Time?
No, 738. The price he got in yesterday.
Oh, yeah, he's good. I thought you were talking about 7:38 this morning. I was like, he's down.
Nah, man, he's doing good. He's had a good day so far.
He's had a great day.
That's what I said. It's like, good lord, man, that's one hell of a win.
Boy, it takes some patience to
Man,
hold that.
I can't believe the one day I don't hold 10 shares all the way through, and this thing ran all the way to 39.
Bro, you gotta realize when you're actually trading a low flow stock.
I know when I'm trading the low float stock. What do you mean?
Man, half those stocks you trading, man, they be killing. They are low float killers. They're pseudo low float, fake low floats.
Man, your definition of low float is very, very specific.
Yes, Lord. PMCB looking like it's forming a nice little bull trap up there. I like it. I'm gonna watch this movie. May go and make some popcorn.
Yeah, man, it's got to break 6. If it breaks 6, it's going to run in the 50-day at 615. And then if it can break there, it's going to run into the 200 at 677. And then you got a whole number at 7. Plus, that's the bottom of the body of that $10 red candle on this IPO. Like, there's so many cylinders above this price right now. Like, it's going to be like running into a brick wall more than likely.
What I'm expecting to happen is the gap fill. So you see that gap fill on the daily chart? Just fill that gap and then fall. That gap is up at the 668 up there. So it may take it a while to get there, but that's where I'm looking for it to stop on the day, 668.
I don't know.
Because that's, usually most of these, like VRPX wasn't filling a gap. It had clear skies to the open. But PMCB, boy, that gap fill is
that shelf registration they already enacted. Look at the look at the daily chart. They enacted the first day after that IPO. It gapped down from 7 something all the way down to 3. You got a $4 gap right there. That's already been enacted there.
I doubt it. That gap down was on August 9th. So maybe they did, but we'll see. I think that gap fill is going to keep it down. And plus, it doesn't have any kind of catalyst to push it through that gap or push it up over that gap.
No, they had news yesterday. It said, is PMCB the next LFGC?
Yeah, I know. It's fake news.
Yeah. No, only I get to call the next FLGC. What's that guy's name? Screw you, Adam Jeff Vert. What kind of last name is Jeff Vert? Yeah, VRPX was very nice. Good morning, Big Bala. Good morning, Lori Lee. They say it's supposed to go to 47. I don't know who they is, but I don't listen to they.
Yeah, they is gonna get you crucified.
Yeah.
We thought they believed in Jesus, and they still put him on the cross.
Yeah. All right. Wow. That's how we're starting the morning off, huh? All right. Oh, let's see. NVB. This is popping up a little bit here in pre-market. What's that float? 21 million? Yeah, ENVB. That's got room up to the 200 day at 363.
ENDB.
ENVB.
Oh, BB.
V as in Valorian. Is that a word? Valorian? Sounds like a word. I think it's from a game or something. Valorian.
No, you're thinking of the Mandalorian from the Star Wars.
Nah, man, I'm not thinking of the Mandalorian. I'm not thinking of the DeLorean from Back to the Future. Pretty sure Valorian is some type of race in a video game, like Skyrim or something. I could be wrong.
Okay, I typed this thing in. You said ENV or BV.
No, VB.
VB.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see what. Looking like it's hard to borrow. Let's see. One Life just popped in. One Life says, Sicilian, you plan on trading it today. He's talking about PMCB, but you don't know yet if it will give a setup into the open. The key to this is being patient and wait to strike, not a preconceived notion. If Daniel B was here, he'd say nobody knows nothing.
Well, that's on par for Daniel B. Why is he talking to Sicilian in your chat? Is Sicilian over there now?
Yeah, yeah, Sicilian.
Okay.
Yeah.
I was gonna say, man, why is he talking over this to try to talk to this? Okay, never mind. Just confused me, man. I was freaked out for a minute. Thought I was in the Twilight Zone, you know. Thought I lived in a world where people have to jump on planes and then they fall off of them because they can't get inside. Like,
bruh, I saw those videos, bro. Those are some sad videos. People falling off, man. I can't believe they held that long.
Like, they're trying to get out of there, bro. They're trying to get. They ain't care, man. They're like, we're flying over the ocean on the top of this plane. We don't care. Getting out of here, man. That's just crazy, man. That's what happens when your country gets taken over by whatever the Taliban is.
Radicals.
Yeah, I don't know about that. I think they're probably hired guns. It doesn't make any sense. At least 20 years over there, and we didn't, and not one drone strike to take them out when they can literally, you know, Obama did that to Syria, man.
Yeah.
He took that one guy out. Why wouldn't you take these? What are they waiting for? Just send the drones to all the caves.
Yeah. One Life said, I'm in both chats because I'm a G like that.
Yeah, he's
And then Sicilian said he's buying the break of $6 on PMCB. So we will see how that goes for him.
What are we talking about now?
PMCB is coming up to the 6. He's trying to buy the break of the 6.
One Life is?
No, Sicilian.
That's a little sketchy. Cause
very sketchy.
You got this pivot point right there at 615. You're gonna run into too.
Maybe you know it goes well for him. Maybe it doesn't. We'll see. No one knows.
Man, I think it's gonna be DATS today.
I don't think that.
It's gonna break out, man. It's looking good.
It's got VRPX has way too much attention on it.
Yeah, but like you said, man, the shorters are gonna bring that down. As soon as they bring it down, ain't nobody gonna be paying attention to that.
Well, you know, like Nero did. This is how I lost money on Nero. I bought high, way too high, made my loss. It went on down, and then got bought up in the afternoon. So, you know, it could give a little reversal, but I would definitely be patient to see what VRPX is gonna do. But it's still too out of my price range. I don't like buying a $30 stock because you can only take so many entries.
Well, that's what I'm saying. I don't think the majority of retail traders are going to try to trade this at $30. Besides maybe the apes.
Yeah. Just hold, guys. Just hold. It's going to 100.
Yeah, just hold forever. Just keep holding. They're getting crazier and crazier. I'm in like multiple of those Wall Street Bets Facebook groups, and they're talking like it's AMC's gonna go to 100K. I'm like, there's not even hardly any stocks that are 100K. What are you talking about? I don't even know if
Yeah,
there is a 100K stock.
$100,000. Uh,
Like
I
a,
don't know. Maybe some ETFs or something like that. I don't
yeah,
know.
I don't think there's any stocks worth that much. The only thing I've ever seen worth $100,000 is Yearn Finance, which is a crypto. The highest is like
VRPA.
88,000. Yeah. EMVB starting to push up a little bit more.
See where that's at.
It's looking pretty decent here.
Let's see. $2. Okay. Okay, I see it. But definitely. Oh, wait a minute. EM.
We've already went over this. It's VB.
No, no, no. I was checking. Does it have a shelf registration? It does for this year. It has a shelf registration for last month.
Uh,
Yeah. So
yeah. Yeah, that's sketchy.
yeah. So I'll definitely be patient on that one as well. And plus, it looks like it's, let's see, it's at the 215. The 200 moving average is at the 248. So that 250 is going to be some hard resistance for it. But I mean, again, if you want to, you know, take that journey, go ahead. Be my guest.
We're gonna start singing Beauty and the Beast on us now.
Beauty and the Beast. Where does that come from?
You said, "Be my guest."
Is that from Beauty and the Beast?
Yeah, man, it's a whole song.
Oh, oh man. This is how much I pay attention to Disney movies.
Man, did you not watch any Disney movies when you were a kid?
Man, I watch anime. Forget Disney movies.
I mean, when you were like 5, you were watching anime.
Nah, man. When I was 5, I was watching Power Rangers. Forget Disney. You know what? I did watch some Disney. I didn't watch any Disney like cartoon movies, but I watched like That's So Raven. I watched like well, you know what? I did watch some. I remember, but a lot of them were just like real life actors, like the Even Stevens and all that other stuff. But every Disney kind of went down the pooper. So you know.
Cocaine's a hell of a drug. Yeah. I'm with you on that, Sicilian. Sicilian's like Dragon Ball Z. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
That's what I grew up on, man. All of it.
And if you don't know Goku, we crucifying you, bro. If you don't know that Vegeta is always behind Goku at every turn, we crucifying you.
Oh man. All right.
Yeah, let's go ahead
same
and
page. There we go.
Yeah.
All right,
So,
we'll break off, guys. All right, happy trading, you guys over at HH Chat. We'll see who's can get the most profits today. Let's race.
Yeah, I'm gonna let you fall down a dark hole while I take profit.
I ain't going down any dark holes today.
All right, we'll see on ENVB what it'll do to you.
I didn't say I was getting in it. I just said it looks okay.
Okay.
But after that shelf registration, I don't know, man. I may not touch it. Who knows? We'll see what happens, man. I might get a little frisky today.
All right. Well, hopefully it doesn't pat you down and leave you with bad memory scar for life.
Yeah. All right, man. We'll watch you later.
All right. Bye-bye.
All right. VRPX giving money. Is this thing still running? That's back up to 30. All right, guys. Real quick before we start the market open here, we got 4.5 minutes. I'm going to take my quick little break to get my brain together. EMVB is popping a little sooner than I would like, so that's not really what I wanted to see, but I'll be right back, guys. Alright, so EMV popping up a little bit. Ooh, that's... We'll go 50 shares on DATS because I like this wedge. It bounced off the 200 day there. Not a lot of volume yet. But if it starts getting volume and breaks 4, it could really start running. So, just going to hop in there early. What'd I get? 392. $10 birthday cards. Shoo! It's a lot of birthday cards. Alf pulling down. PMCB with a quick little pop up. SNGX, we'll throw that on the watch list. That hasn't popped up in a while. PTIX. B-Way, it's starting to move a little bit. See, what's the market doing? Market's a little green there. That's still hanging out. I'll let that hang out there. If I can get a resistance at 110. Wonder if I can get a quick scalp on this. See, pulling back down there. That's had a little bit of a pullback. It's kind of hanging out right there right now. EMV. Whoa, what is going on? Get out of here with this craziness going on there. Anyway, it's got to break 9. If it can break 9, though, it could run. Alf selling off. Looks like B-Way may pull back. That's what I was worried about, that little upper wick there. PMCB could break 7. It could start running. Testing 675 right now. Where's that 50 day at? 50 days at 616. I'm gonna go. Looks like it's gonna try to test 7 here. Did I not get filled? Oh, just got halted. Did I get filled? It's not showing I got filled. Oh, because PMCB ain't on my watch list. That's why. Okay. I was like, whoa. I was like, what just happened? How am I not in this? But very nice getting halted right there. About freaked me out. That gave me a cornea. Or a coronary, not a cornea. About gave me a cornea too. My eyeball almost squeezed out of my head. Good morning, Lightning Rick. So we'll see what happens out of this this halt. Oof, man, I hope it's not that shelf registration. I hope I'm right about the shelf registration being back here, but it doesn't say it's a T whatever halt, so we'll see. This guy's starting to come up in test 4. If DAS can get going, could be another. You do want to be careful if there's a shelf registration. I'm telling you, you do not want to get caught up in one of these low float stocks that acts in a shelf registration like they did on SESN. Get destroyed. See, when we get halted like 840. DATS testing 4 right now. Gotta break 4. If it can't break 4, it's gonna come back down. But it is trying. Now we do have, at this point, we have room all the way up to $9 on this. There's no resistance ahead up to $9 besides natural support and resistance every 25 cents. So that's still struggling there. VRPX halted too. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I just don't want to trade VRPX because it's so much. It's going to burn through my capital so quick. And it's so high up as well. That's why I was looking lower today. BWA breaking 9, trying to. If it can hold above 9, that could start ripping. You gotta be getting close to getting out of this halt. That was what, 8:30ish. Let's see, It's like 8:37. Yeah, it's been about 5 minutes. So any minute now it should come out, unless it's going to be a 10-minute halt. Yeah, you definitely got to trade trading like a business, because it is. You got to pay taxes on them gains. You got to report the profits you make and all that. So it is a business. You definitely want to treat it like a business. Like I say all the time, you really want to treat your personal finances like a business too. Everything you do concerning money, treat it like a profitable business. What am I in at on this? 682? Let's see here. Just pushing up a little bit more. We're going to keep pushing. Yes, we are. Maybe not. All over the place here. There we go. See if we can break $8. Go on another rip. Breaking $8. Very nice. Up to 814. Very nice. Up to 820. Breaking through 820. Up to 830. Up to 840. Oh, jeez. Up to 850. I'm going to start locking some stuff out here. More 20 more out there. Struggling to 850. How many shares I got left? I got 30 left. There we go. Starting to push back over 8 again. Looks like we're consolidating a little bit here, a little pullback. Coming back up to test 8 again. That's a strong sign if we re-break 8. See, there's some sellers sitting there, though. There we go. Starting to push up again. And we might go again. We might make another leg up with this pushing up like it is at the moment. See, still getting hung up at 825. Got to break 825. There we go. Big strong break. We're gonna break over 850. See that 850 test. A little selling at 840, and they're taking out. Ooh, ask was up to 847. They're all over the place on this. Getting another upper wick. So there's the triangle of consolidation. We're consolidating between 8 and 850. So we got 2 minutes on this candle to close. 8 is trying to hold as support. Very strong sign. Bid stack there. Buyers came in nice and strong, holding it up. So we're going to test that 8 support one more time, though. Oh, still holding up. Very nice. Very, very nice. We're going to get another test at 850. And like I said, there's no resistance ahead, but natural support and resistance. And where are we getting hung up at? 825, 850. So every 25 cents. One Life tried to argue with me about that, but it holds up true all the time. Well, this thing is all over the place. I mean, we got a big range of consolidation, though. There we go, breaking back through 825. Can we get a test of 850? We're getting increasing volume on buying volume on this candle, though. I think we may be about to make another leg up. At least to 9. Yeah, let's see, we're fixing to close. So we're going to close over 825 on this candle. There we go, testing 850. Ooh, we hit it once. Can we hit it again? There we go. Whoa, what's going on? Thinkorswim, there we go. Okay. I was like, what's going on? Oh no, coming back down. So we're my thing was pushed over. Damn, I would have liked to lock some of that out up there at 887. Got a quick push. I got to pull my stuff together this morning. I'm doing wild things here. Not even with my trading, just with looking. It's a little fake out breakout there, but we're still in this little triangle trying to hold up. Fate starts cracking, I'm getting out. Yeah, I'm getting out of there. 8 might crack. I'll take the $64 win. I don't like how hard it's testing 8. Oh, now it's going to hold up. Of course you are. Of course you are. Why would you not? See, I'm just checking to see how much funds I got left. Yes, he testing that 8 again. I still got a good amount of funds left. Give me just a second, guys. Alright. DRD dropping a little bit. I think I'm gonna hop out of DRD. Well, I got 35 there. I'll let this come back down. See if I can get in a better position later. But that should give me DATS gotta break this little triangle up to 4. PMCB looks like it's going to try to run again, possibly. So I might try to jump back in for another little scalp. Yeah, starting to let's see if it can break 850 here. Where'd I get in at? I'm just going 30 this time, just to see if it can break. It didn't dump out. Still in this triangle consolidation. I did buy at the top there, which I don't really like, but it wasn't really a good idea. It'd been better to wait for it to pull back and buy at the bottom. So we got 40 seconds on this candle. So it looks like we're going to close with a big indecision candle. Unless it starts turning green right here in the last second, green or red, down, starts dropping anyway. Looks like indecision though. Alright, we break back over 850, it's off. That's made dump. I don't like that indecision turning red. We're starting to get a little bent fishing rod. If this candle does not break out the green here in a second and break back over 850 strong, then this could dump. So we need to see a breakout here in the next couple of minutes, and not a little fake out breakout, an actual breakout. Getting some resistance at 830. There we go. Still selling at 840, which is really annoying. Ooh, yeah, man, 8 still holding, but this is going to be sketchy at this point. I really don't like how this candle's looking. Still got a lot of time left in this candle though, but sellers back at 825, so the sellers are moving down, moving the resistance lines down. We were at 850, then 840, then 830. Let's see, is this about to crack? Oh, getting it. Golly, look at that. Nasty. I hope I didn't give back most of my profits. Yeah, I halted on the way down. That's what I was concerned about. I got out of there just in time. I did give back about 30 bucks. And that indecision, so that's what I was worried about. So good. Good thing I got. Excuse me. Good thing I got out of there still in the green. Thank God, because that could have got real ugly. Well, it did get real ugly, but it could have been worse. Well, B-Way's actually looking pretty decent. Louise ADF/WS. What does that mean? What is that? I don't know what is going on with this. B-Way looks like it might try to rip here. I'm gonna hop in here on B-Way, look for a little quick scalp on this. I'm in at 960. Okay. Should at least try to test 10. Got a break through 975. Actually broke through pretty easy right there. Let's see if it continues to push up. Can you continue to go here? B-Way, you've got the good news. You got the FDA expanded approval. Cracking below my entry there. I'm going to give it a couple of cents. Looks like 955 is trying to hold us some support. If it starts dropping under 955. See, the adaptive is at 940 something. Ooh, DATS is cracked down. Let's see, what am I down? $10 there. Bottom of that triangle. Alright, here we go, B-Way. Let's see, break at $10. This is going to be a test of 10. Where do we stop at? 992? Why, let's see. Yeah, so right there you can see all the resistance. A lot of resistance at $10. You can see all these candle wicks back here. There's resistance back here quite a bit. So it may not be able to break 10. It's making a decent looking U shape here. PMCB came out of that halt, bouncing off the 40 DMA there. We're just taking our time right now in B-Way. It's a slow mover. You telling me to sell on B-Way? It's doing alright right now. It just needs to break 10. We didn't even touch 10 yet, and it may not touch 10. I'm not gonna hold it down if it drops below 950 though. Want that 950 to hold up. That's what she said. What did she say? Because I don't know what I just said. Oh, you meant on PMCB? Yeah. PMCB was definitely a dangerous one. Getting a little selling pressure at 960. That needs to go away soon. Let's see, we're about to close on this candle in 15 seconds. So as long as we close above 950, we should be good. Should see another little push up. 2 seconds. Boom. Now we want to see this candle push up green, break over 978. Starts coming back down. Gotta get the hell out. Come on. Just a little more. I don't like how this is struggling. I'm gonna have to hop out here if this doesn't bounce right back up. Little pivot. Little pivot there. So it looks like we're gonna maybe be in a big triangle here. See, can we get back over 950? Maybe. A lot of selling coming in there at 950. That we don't want to see that. Need to get back over 950 here. Come on, take this big guy out. Come on. Oh, there you go. Now, we do not want to see it back under 950. I was a little pullback, little quick little tail down there. Having a little bit left A little bit of selling left. Probably some bag holders still from this morning. A minute and a half. So it's probably, more than likely, it's not going to close over at 975, but as long as it closes over 950, should be good for a possible another push up on the next candle. Why are we getting held up at 960? Oh, there's a little resistance right across there. 960 is some resistance. So we got 950, 960, 975, and 10. A lot of resistance ahead. But if we can break over 10, then we got room up to 1057, maybe 11. Size of this float is only 16 million. This thing's not much of a big runner. There we go. Like at 960 holding up. That's not. That shouldn't have been as strong resistance as it was, but we'll see. Got to push back up. Got to break over at 978 area. There we go. Big buyer just came in at 984. We're going to give a test to 10 here. Test to 990. Come on. So GATS still holding in there. Put a, what did I get? How many of this I got? I got 50. I'm going to put a stop loss in here because it'd be making me nervous. Let's see. I'm in at 394. Let's put it down below 365. What is going on here? Why does that keep happening? Stop doing that to me. There we go. So big old U shape. We just got to break $10. PMCB looks like it's going to try to go for another break again. PMCB breaks out, that might take away from B-Way. B-Way is struggling. Let's see. On this candle wick here, we didn't get higher than that last candle wick. That's a little concerning. We still got plenty of time in this candle, though. Okay, it looks like we're going to come back up again for a possible test. Getting pretty much hung up at 990 right now. Let's see that $10. Come on, B-Way, what you got? Get over this 990 and start testing 10. I want to see it. I want to see a $10 test with my good eye. Not my bad eye, just my good eye. And don't ask me which one is my good eye, because I don't know. I would say there's nothing wrong with a kid being 2 years old and getting Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. It teaches discipline. Any martial arts is going to teach discipline. It's going to teach them self-defense. It's going to be good exercise for them. I don't see what's wrong with it. I mean, you don't want your kid out there putting other kids on the playground and flying triangles and arm bars or, Kimuras or any of that. But if they can handle themselves, if that discipline kicks in enough, I don't see a problem with it. It's my opinion. I mean, Whoa, breaking over. Ooh, we had a quick little tootsie over 10 there. Oh, getting some bid stacking at 10. Oh, can we do it? Can we break out big here? Come on. Come on. You're trying. You want it. You want it, B-Way. You better break out here, B-Way. I'm sending all of Lauren's kids that are Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu artists after you. Gonna be flying, kneeing you in the head. Getting a rejection there. It's okay though. We tested. That's what we want to see. We want to see it keep testing though. Got one test. We need to see one or two more tests. We need to see that volume increasing. Green buying volume. Am I funny this morning? I appreciate that. I'm glad one morning I was able to be funny. All the rest of my attempts have failed miserably, I guess. Come on, let's see. Another test of 10. Sellers are sitting there. See, always on that first test, you usually don't break. You usually get a pullback, and then it's got to come back up and test again. But very nice second test, trying to hold above. If we can break 10-10, that's what's holding up at the moment. Almost through 10-10. Nope. Still, nope. Oh, testing it again. Got a decent buyer at 10.06, 4,500 shares. That's like 45 grand. There we go. Big seller at 10.17. So 10.27, previous high. Pre-market high. We got to break that. Getting rejected at 10 still. Got to see a candle close over 10. You see sellers sat down on the ask at 10 again. Let's see if it can get taken out. Okay, very nice. So we are $10 is starting to not be as strong as resistance. It was weakened in there. It didn't take very much buying at all to push it back over 10. We're getting hung up at 10.15 now. I think that's probably the bottom of the body of this red candle. Yeah, 10.18. So guys, see this 10.15 break. Buying volume slowly increasing. We need a strong push soon. We're fumbling around all these resistance areas too much. 10.15, you see holding up again. There we go. We get through 10.20 here. Nope. Minute 30 seconds. There we go. Almost breaking through 10.20. You're trying. I'm gonna go to sleep. This is a low float stock. It should not be taking this long. Come on. You got FDA approval. Got a minute left on this scandal. We absolutely want to close above 10 on this candle. Want to close above 10. If we do not close above 10, I would expect a pullback because that will confirm a rejection. If we close above 10, then that will confirm the break more than likely. 30 more seconds. I'd rather see it break 10.20 in this last 30 seconds. Closing under 10. If this doesn't push back over 10 right here in a second, I'm jumping out. Getting some selling below 10 at 9.94. Getting bought up off the 10 adaptive. We break back over 10 here. We ought to be good to go. Getting a 20-cent spread there. There we go. Bid starting to stack back up on 10. See if buying volume increases. Ten trying to hold a support though. We keep getting bids in at 10. That's pretty good strength, but we still have to close over 10. We got to get a candle to close over 10. This is going to continue to rip, but we're building up very nicely for this possible big breakout. But this thing is going to make me take a nap. It's taking forever. Got a minute and a half on this candle to close. Can we get the close over 10? Little indecision here. Seller stacking the ask at 10. Now we got the bids back at 10. This thing is so indecisive right now. Testing that 990. Starting to curl over. I'm getting ready to, yeah. Ready to take this. So we closed over 975, but that is not what we want to see. This candle needs to push back up over this red candle. We need to break 10 here. All the strength we need to see keeps not happening. Where did that one hit at? That one hit at 968. So I'm going to put a stop on this at 966. So at this point, if it drops below this candle wick, then I'll be out a little bit green. If it doesn't drop back down that low, it should try to break 10 again, but getting tired of holding it. Oh, yeah, I just got stopped out there. So, dollar win on B-Way. Couldn't break that $10 area. I'm going to keep holding DATS as long as it's in this triangle. Doesn't look like it's going to break out today, but may have a shot tomorrow. VRPX sold off. ALF just kind of rolling around. PMCB. It's a little interesting. Got this little triangle. See if I got any more funds, because I might try to hop back in here if it starts to look like it's going to break. Yeah, I'm going to jump back in there. 30 more shares on PMCB to see if it can break out here. It's done a nice little consolidation back up to 8. We're going to have to see it break over 8 and close. And we're going to see it break 850. Here comes a test to 8. The test starting to break down a little bit. There you go. Getting a little push back up there to 810. Pull back below 8 again. Pushing up to 820. Break 820. Yeah. Oh, well, we almost broke 820. Took a lot of sellers out there, but couldn't break. Here we go. Hitting the top of this triangle. See if we can get this break over 850. Break over 850. I think we're going to make another leg up. So I'm selling at 835. That was a strong close on that candle, closing above the triangle. See if we get this 850 break. Yes, we are. There we go. Starting to move up. And we're getting halted again. I called it again in a halt. You dirty PMCB. What kind of nonsense are you doing today? Beautiful triangle breakout there. Look at the buying that just came in there on that halt. So, playing a little tug of war here with PMCB. We're getting down in the dirty. We're scrapping. I got that first win, and then it came back and punched me in the eye a little bit. So now I'm coming back, give a little left jab in the rib, right jab, whatever arm I'm using. Just man, this is Rocky and Bullwinkle. Rocky and the Russian Bullwinkle. Y'all didn't know. I didn't know I was going there with it, did you? You expecting George Foreman or something? I can't remember. Drago, is that what the Russian's name in Rocky? One of the Rockies, Drago or something like that? I don't know. Oh boy. B-Way is trying to come back up to 10. Alright, while we're in this halt, give me just a couple minutes. I'm going to take a quick little breather, a quick one. Because I want to be back in case this thing dumps. Getting halted as soon as it started pushing. But I'll be right back. All right. Bowl Winkle. He's got a bowl cut. There we go. Still breaking out. Very nice. Very, very nice. Trying to break over 10. There we go. We are pushing. We are pushing. I'm going to take 10 off there. Trying to break 950. 950 breaking. Oh, let's push up to 984. $950 held a support that time. Oh no, that time it cracked. $10 is the high of year though. So 10 being high of year, that's going to be really strong resistance. What are you going to do here? Got sellers dropping down to 930. So 930 needs to break here soon. Now, if we break $10 strong, I have no idea how much further this can run. But I don't think we will break it, at least not right away. So you got sellers. Sellers just moved up from 930 to 940, so let's see if they can get taken out. Buyers trying to come in, but just a lot of selling going on right now. You understand the logic in the game? What did you learn, Sicilian? I'm curious to what you learned. What you figured out. There we go. Oh, 940 almost got taken out. Decent close there. If this candle can start pushing up green again. May have another pullback. Big buyer. Well, it just got taken out. We're holding up 9 pretty good. We just can't get back over that 950. Oh, it can't get over 940. 940 still holding up as resistance. You get those sellers out of there. They don't want to crack back below 9. Yeah, 9's still trying to hold here. We're holding up the 10 adaptive. Right there at 9. We are up 161%, so this has been a pretty big run. I'm gonna give it a minute to see if it's gonna hold up. Yeah, patterns are definitely helpful. Volume is definitely key. Short price action is basically regarding good entries and anticipating plays. Yeah. But before, I needed to know which stocks to trade, which goes into the watch list and the news or catalyst. Yeah, I mean, trying to figure out what stocks to trade can be a little tricky if there's a lot of them ripping like we've had today. Which this is good. This is a good thing what we're seeing today. We're seeing some heat back in the market. Or at least in these low floats. I don't even know what. Let's see. Oh yeah, see the market's turning green, so that's why. Everything's trying to push back up, but see, we can get back over 9 here. Yeah, we are. But what goes on your watch list depends on what you want to trade. Like Hal is only trading stocks like under 15 million in float. That's what he considers a low float, which is insane. But you know, it is. They are low floats. He's not wrong. They're just extremely low floats. But that's all he scans for. Where my scanners, you know, very low float to up to the 100 million point where. You know, I'll trade a little bit higher float. I don't mind to trade a little bit higher float. I'm not as picky as he is. But yeah, you want to look for the ones with news, and if they have news, and if they don't have news, does it have a chart pattern that could act as a catalyst? Because it doesn't have to have news to be a catalyst. It's just that most of the time news is usually going to be a good catalyst if it's good news. But it can just have a chart pattern. Alright, so we got a hold up here. Gotta start pushing back over 9 on this candle. If not, this is going to be done. But yeah, volume is el numero 1. El numero uno. I can't believe I said numero 1. What's wrong with me this morning? I need to wake up. I gotta do a recording with Liam from Confident in Crypto here in the next 30 minutes. And yeah, I gotta wake up. I can't be saying crazy stuff like that. Numero one. Oh, and Brian, if you want to call out all of my mishaps with my English, go right ahead. You're gonna stay busy because I have a, yeah, my speech doesn't always work great. It's because I'm suppressing the southern accent as much as I can. So if I came on here like the Alabama Trader, you guys would be like, whoa, who is this guy? You know, my southern accent can get pretty thick. Turn into Boomhauer on you. Is that what you guys want? You want me to Boomhauer? I'm gonna Boomhauer this play. You guys ready? This is gonna be so stupid. Alright, let me focus. I gotta focus to do this because I'm still in this trade. Almost forgot I was in the trade because I'm joking too much. Alright, so we're going to sell dang on $90, then the dollar hang on right here. A little bit more of that regular volume coming in and it'll break out over there. No 9, no way to fall. Dang on man, no 94 now. I'm gonna make about. Yonder. I've been wandering yonder. Be wandering out yonder there out on the cow pasture. Boomhauer is what your family calls you. Yeah, I don't have the Boomhauer natural talking fast. I have the more, well, I guess with my theories and speculation, you guys could consider me Dale Gribble. The government's out to get us. The government, they're trying to get us all. They're trying to brainwash us with the water. I'm losing viewers as I'm saying this stuff. I was like 2 viewers here in the last second. I'm just a guy, man. You know, I can't help it. People don't like my crazy talk. It's just me, man. I talk like this all the time. Whether I'm go down, yeah, that sounds about right. That's how they give directions down south. Yeah, go down yonder that way, make a left over there beside the old gas station, and you'll be up there yonder on the right. All right, Brian. Well, have a good day, man. You're already having a good day. You killed it on what'd you kill it on? VRPX, man. So go enjoy the rest of your day. Go buy you a beer or something. So I got the Del Gribble impression down. Not quite the Boomhauer, but Del Gribble. I'm there. Oh God. I used to could do Hank too. I don't know if I can do Hank anymore. I haven't tried Hank in a long time. Oh yeah, I gave you a landmark, the old gas station. Yeah, it's real great when they're like, now you see that tree. You go down yonder, there's a tree on the left, and that tree is going to have a little carving in it. You'll be able to see it from the road if you look real close. Just squint your eyes. Just give them a little squint. You'll be able to see right where you're looking at.
And then right when you see that little scribble on that tree, that's when you hang left. Swing that car around, whip that car back around there, right around that corner there. And you'll be good to go. Up 10 G's, nice, man. Nice win. Congratulations. That's what I like to hear, man. I'm glad you killed it today. So great job, Brian C. Destroying VRPX. Very nice. Very nice. Glad to hear. Oh boy. It did that same thing again. I'm caught in the halt this time, so there's nothing I can do about it. Oh, hold on a second. Let's see, is it halted or not? Did that same thing where it ran up, was chilling out there, and then just all of a sudden dumped. Got me with that last time. What a crazy play. Let's see, what did it do last time? It gapped down. Yeah, something screwy with this. As little float as this is having a lot of issues. We've had 110 volumes so far today on a $1.6 million, 1.6 million share float, and we've moved. Oh yeah, okay. In pre-market, this was at 355, so it's moved pretty good. But up at this 10, just struggling. Get ready to lock my 20 out. If I give that damn profit back because of this damn... but right there, look at the volume story, like Hal likes to say. I wasn't paying attention to that. Look at that volume story. Ramp down. So we'll see what happens out of this halt. I don't like this halt at all. But that dump happened so quick, I didn't really have a chance to react. But I'm still in the profit, so, you know, it's fine. My average price on this position is $7.99. So as long as if it can hold above 8, if it doesn't gap down ridiculously. See, where could it gap down to? It might drop to 750. I mean, it could be done for the day. That 10 area, like I said, is high of year. Is going to be very strong resistance. Now we got that downtrend at 9. We got a break. So we'll give a stream like 10-15 more minutes here. I'm probably going to lock this in out of this halt, depending on what it does. But I think it's going to force me to lock in. Yeah, maybe, because when it halted here, it was still, you know, when it gapped down a little bit, it's still above the 40 DMA. But this got halted under both EMAs there, so basically got halted at the $8 support. We shall see. This thing just fighting and fighting with me. Oh, we've got an ape in here. We've got an ape. Price target 3,500 on AMC. Oh boy. Oh boy. Here we go. Ape has joined. An ape has entered the building. You talking crazy as hell. AMC is not going to 3,500. That would put it higher than Amazon. Like, I don't care how much that short squeeze is. It's not going higher than Amazon. Or what's Amazon? I don't even know what Amazon's at. It's probably, last time I checked, it's almost like 3,000. Price target 3,500. God. Man. I hope you really don't believe that. Okay, so there's the gap down. See, we are making a little indecision, but if it doesn't hold 8, I'm going to have to get out here. See if it can pop back up or not. Can you come back alive? Got support at 815 trying to hold. And this thing dumped so quick last time, I'm a little nervous to hold it where it's at. Just gonna keep my finger on the trigger. If I see start getting close to 8, I'm locking out. 810 trying to hold as some support. Getting out. Alright, well. Still not bad. Could have been a bigger win. Should have locked out up there at the top. Got greedy. But yeah, I can't hold it below 8. My entry was at $7.99 on that, so I was able to lock in a little more profit on that. Put me up about 40 on the day. Still holding DATS, so I'm gonna keep holding it with this stop loss here. Let's see if it's gonna do anything. It's not doing anything at the moment, but it hasn't been doing much. See if anything else do anything. No SNGS. Glad I did not try to scalp that. VRPX still low. B-Way with pretty big rejection there. ALF just trying to hold above the 50 and the 20 day. Not much there with the MVB. Let's see, we got GRVI. A little pop up. They got AI powered advertising campaign. Also, they got a strategic partnership. Okay, so that is good PR. It is pretty low float. I'll throw it up here later. We got XBIO popping up again. That's not doing anything. OEG, nothing really there. RMED, nothing there. MDIA, nothing there. SGLC getting a little action. So SGLC up there for later. Keep an eye on it. HPI had a little pop today, a little dollar pop. Very nice. And the DIA is starting to look like a bent fishing rod, so we may see a dump here. I know I saw something earlier, something about let's see. Um, well, I get greedy. I try to hold a little bit longer to see if we can get a breakout, and sometimes it works. It's just not in this market. I shouldn't have. I shouldn't be holding. I shouldn't have held that as long as I did. That's a long hold. I mean, I nailed the play. There was no reason why. I mean, I did. Well, in fairness, I did lock 10 shares out at the top almost. Close, well, at 938. So I did lock some of the position out towards the top. I just didn't lock all of it out. But it was in my head. I was thinking of VRPX in my head, and I was like, I didn't hold the 10 shares of VRPX yesterday, so I'm going to hold 20 shares of PMCB today and see if it keeps ripping. But then after it couldn't break 10, I started thinking about it more. It's like, that's probably dumb. And then $10 is really strong, high VIR resistance. So, yeah, it is what it is. So how had a dumb trade? Oh boy. Hopefully he didn't get hurt too much. But yeah, if anybody's got any questions, suggestions, or ideas, go ahead and get those in. Cause I gotta get to recording with Liam here shortly, and I would like to take a quick break before I have to start recording that. You were calling him an idiot. Well, how's that help him trade? That's not nice. He might have been able to think clearer if you were, being, I forgot about my dollar on B-Way. So yeah, I'm actually up 41 on the day. Yeah. He didn't get hurt hard, but he shouldn't have taken the trade. Well, sometimes I do that. There's trades I shouldn't take, and I'll take them. But I'll hear about it later, I'm sure. Yeah, I know he's filling in for Daniel B. Yeah, he's gotta handle the super a-hole side of things for Daniel while he's gone. Oh, Daniela. It was that bad that I will laugh. If it was that bad of a trade that I'll laugh, then I'm excited to hear this. It is 10 a.m. Central where I'm at. Yeah, keep everyone in check. Peace, love, and chicken grease. Man, I had some chicken and waffles the other day at this new restaurant I tried. Oh my god, it was so good. I don't know. I guess that chicken grease reminded me of it. You know you're going to unsubscribe because you was disappointed over one trade? Is it that bad? Was it really that bad of a trade? Good Lord. I can't wait to hear and see what that's about. But yeah, any questions or any of that, go ahead and get that in. We'll give the stream like 10, 15 more minutes here. I'll hang out. Chicken and waffles is your favorite food? Yeah, me too, man. I love it. I love it. I like biscuits and gravy and chicken and waffles. And I've never been to a restaurant that has had both chicken and waffles and biscuits and gravy. And this restaurant had both. You know how hard a decision that was? Man. That was like Biden trying to figure out which crayon he's going to color with. That was a good one. Come on. I laughed at it really quick, though. Laughed at my own joke almost before I even got the joke out. The joke wasn't that he would be coloring with crayons because he's senile and he's like a toddler now. The joke is actually that he wouldn't be coloring the coloring book. He'd actually just be eating the crayons. Oh God, Daniel B. That's he's back. He has come back to do whatever he does. Corned beef and cabbage? Man, I don't like cabbage. Cabbage is a weird thing. I don't understand Daniel B's comment, though. 50% of investors went to school? What does that mean? That's a random statement. Not sure exactly what you're getting at there. He's been out studying the world. So PMCB coming all the way back down to the trend line. If this trend line can hold, then you could see a possible bounce off of there. But this play is just them big drops all of a sudden are just sketchy on this. So I don't know. I got what I could get out of it. Fought with this thing, and I'm happy with that. %50 audience of this channel went to school. I have no idea what you were trying to get at, what kind of diss you're trying to do. This does not make any sense. Like, I'm not getting it. I don't know where Elvis is, man. You know, Elvis, he's the king, so he's got all types of stuff to do. He's a busy guy, I guess. You know, his schedule's all shook up right now. Oh yeah, it is right. Elvis did say he was taking a trip to Afghanistan. I don't think he was serious, but hey, he's not here today, so maybe he did. Maybe he flew over there in one of them little dinky planes that, what they call them, a pond hopper. Maybe he jumped on a pond hopper and he's flying over there and he's going to just buy up some oil straight up because he likes them oil futures. Let's see how much else. I mean, that's interesting statistic, Daniel B., but you're just taking a random statistic and correlating it with something else that kind of has the same timing. But people are bouncing back and forth between mine and H&H Trader streams. See, a couple of weeks ago, H&H was not on the channel that much. He wasn't doing the live stream morning shows with me, but he wanted to get his channel going a little better, so giving him some advertisement, and now people are bouncing back and forth. Now, a couple of people, yeah, probably are in school now. It wasn't like, I didn't have any young people watching, but that's a big reach to say 50% when you don't even know how old most of the people are in the chat. It's one of them media narratives you just did right there. We've got a statistic here, and this statistic about volcanoes means that COVID it's so easy to take statistics and just bend them to whatever narrative. Are they supposed to bring you back a burqa? Can you imagine Elvis in a burqa? This thing's... I don't know what this is. I want to see real quick what this is. It's freaking me out. Oh, it's a warrant. Interesting. Why is a warrant popping up on this scanner? What an odd thing. See, MRIN got a little pop today, so a lot of rebounds around the market today. DIA going sideways at the moment. You're going back to Jerusalem? Yeah, man, you should. You should enjoy Jerusalem. Let's pop over here to Trading View. And Lauren, I appreciate that. I'm glad you're hanging out with us instead of Meet Kevin. Boy, this crypto here, I have absolutely nailed. This Luna, man, fire. Okay, let's see. Let's check the indices. Got the Dow Jones, looking Dow Jones-ish. US dollar pushing up again. That should have dropped gold and silver some. Yeah, it did. VIX getting some volatility here the last couple of days. Yeah, gold having a little pullback. Same with silver because the dollar strengthening. SPY down to the 50-day moving average. Oh, I'm on the 4-hour chart. Let's see. Okay, so never mind. It is down to the 50-day on the 4-hour, but on the daily, which on the daily, this does not look good for the SPY. If the SPY can't get back over this body, we probably are going to see it down to the 50. And oil's still dropping. Trying to hold, 66 as support. And dollar strengthening against everything but the British pound. So, little wild there, I guess you could say. Oops, where did you guys go? Oh, there you are. There you are. All right. Yeah, I know. I'm hoping he wins the governor of California. I don't know if he'll be able to or not, but I hope he does. It'd be good. Be good for California to get an entrepreneur as a governor instead of a career politician who wants to suck How many of y'all thought I was going to finish that and not just stop at suck? I left the rest of that statement up to your imagination. So nothing else really going on at the moment. Elf trying to climb back up a little bit. You got a little triple bottom there. So that possibly could maybe pop back up to 10. Yeah, nothing too much else going on. Yeah, no, it's nah. You're right, Lauren. You're right. Having two YouTube channels and the website myself, I don't have a lot of time for anything. I guess a lot of time-consuming stuff. You know, once the channel makes more money, I can hire people to do things. That will make my workload more efficient. Well, hell, that's not even... I've tried to hire a video editor. I went through 3 video editors. I don't know. This one's supposed to be... I don't know. I haven't heard from him in a week. So, I don't know. I guess I'm going to have to get back on the hunt for a video editor again. I can't keep him around. Oh. But, alright, guys. I'm going to call it a day. Get up with Liam here. Appreciate everybody joining me as always. You guys stay safe out there. We'll be back tomorrow morning for some more live day trading. Until next time. It's not letting me press the end button. It's really awkward now. Real awkward.